Hello everyone, this is Johnny Petro here speaking. It's good to see you again. Time to continue on our painting of the concert picture. Basscenter. Stay tuned here. So we're going to take our brush and we're going to go into... Hang on, that's the wrong one. Go into some magenta. And we're going to use a much better brush. We're going to use this filbert brush right here. Hope y'all can see that. Yep, this is my filbert brush I'm going to use to paint with next. And you guys can see that good enough. Okay. Okay. Don't forget, we're still continuing to work the working layers here, guys. Working layers. I can never have more than one. Never have only just one oil. See what I'm saying? We're going to use this. This is my spray bottle to keep painting the picture. Spray some right there. And since the palette's wet, I hope I don't have to. But here's the palette for you. It's all pretty much. I think you can see that from here. These are all the colors I'm using. And as you're painting this, keep in mind that you want your colors to fade out every time you do the work. I mean, art is something you kind of have to live and breathe, you know, as you're working on your setup here. And if you want your, you're going to keep it in magenta. Now there's one technique that I'd like to share with you guys is that if you want to keep your lines straight, you don't always need to have a T-square. I mean, you can have any kind of setup you want, you know, to make your picture, like see this right here. Hope you can see it better. Yeah, this is just a piece of foam core right here. Oh, I hope you can see that good enough. Yeah. Yep, there's the painting. If you want, I could zoom on in so you can see it better. Let's do it a bit better. Like that. Right here. Okay, so what we are going to do, go into our white and go into our magenta. Right down here, there's the palette. Go into our white right here and go into our magenta. Right there. And now, back to our canvas right here. I swear, I hope you can see this guy better. But use this as a straight edge when you paint. If you pay attention very, very carefully, Yeah, there you go. See, you can use this. Painting, you can use your tools to blend, and you can make them straight. If you want, you could add a little bit more water to that, if you can. You just gotta... You just gotta praise your work as you go, and don't forget, you can do it like this too, if you're careful enough. But remember, this is acrylic paint right here. This is, let me tell you a little something. This is a basics color that I use right here. See that? This is the color I use at Hobby Lobby. You know, I buy it from that store. And, you know, it's like, you know, sometimes it's like $3 to get, but if you want, if you have a card you want, you can always make it a much cheaper price. Make it a little darker if you can to slowly make your magenta colors, you know, show up properly when they increase in value. Like this, see that? And, I mean, seriously, you can't see what I'm doing. We're going to have to zoom in on at this. Okay. See that up there? That's just what we are looking for. That's my studio. There's the picture. Some of the pictures you probably understood was that, you know, some people use finger painting to establish a light source. But it really doesn't matter. I mean, it's whatever floats your boat. Spray a little more in the palette here. It's nice to get your acrylics wet, because if you happen to take a step away from your picture, and you want to come back to it, your paint will dry up in less than like 10 minutes, and then you'll be like, what happened here? See, so that's the reason why you always want to keep your acrylic paints wet. There's nothing wrong with that. Sit out and dry and all. You know, sometimes what I like to do is I cover up my paint palette in what do you count? I cover up my paint palette in, you know, some kind of plastic wrap. Make sure that, you know, you've got this written down in some notebook of yours. So you can remember your spare time if you're ever, you know, painting, you know, nice to get crazy, you know, like Bob Ross would say. Here, using that technique that we just showed you before, you gotta be careful with it now. Careful, like I said, always be careful with what you use. Like I said, if you don't have access to a ruler, you gotta find something that's straight on. I have a nice working camera. Nice. Pretty soon it'll hopefully be on YouTube one day if I get around to it. And if you ever come across my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button if you can, like afterwards, after you get done with watching this tutorial right here. Nice way so you can get a lot of, if you want to comment on my YouTube video, how well I'm painting, or just how I'm doing in general.